Hello everyone! Today we'll be showing you the Nibiru RTA. First thing first, you should know that this project is a collaboration between Moddog and Svapodromo. In this video you'll see most of the Nibiru features and a quick build tutorial. Let's start with some specs. Its height is 33 mm without drip tip, the diameter is 22 mm, its capacity is about 2.7 ml and its weight is 45 grams. The standard tank is glass, so it won't be affected by any juice. The drip tip is made of black Delrin and all the metal parts are premium grade stainless steel, in order to minimize maintenance and keep it clean from oxide. Finally, both insulators are made of PEEK, which is a high performance polymer. Nibiru doesn't have any serial on its standard version, because only the limited editions will have it. Let's start with the airflow ring. It has 6 holes, from 0.8 mm to 1.8 mm in 0.2 mm increments. Inside it there is a mechanism that gives a clicky feedback to the ring. When you disassemble it, you need to be careful and do it like this. Put your finger on the opposite side of the air hole and slide the ring up. The little piston is not captive because this way you can clean the mechanism and keep it working forever. If it was captive, it could get clogged and stop working properly. To put it back, just push it in a bit and slide the ring back on. As you can see, the ring has add stops both ways. Now let's see the deck. Here there are 2 cotton wells. They make wicking the atomizer easier. Your cotton will flow to the bottom and fresh liquid will be supplied near the coil, while old liquid will fall down into them. The hair hole has a peculiar shape. It's a funnel geometry. This is to cool the coil evenly and not only in the middle. And it's to try to slow residue formation on it. As you can see, the deck is postless. And the groove screws are deep inside the deck, so your screwdriver won't slip. In the coil slots, there are bigger chamfers on one side. You can see here it's smaller and on the other side it's bigger. This is to make trimming the coil legs easier. The tank is held together by a bayonet joint. It allows liquid flow control as well. And as you can see, the tank is still locked together. Turn it even more to open it. This works one way only to avoid misalignments. The bayonet closes anti-clockwise. This is to unscrew it easily when it's on your mod, so you can overcome the force of the tightened thread without opening the ATI by mistake. Inside the chamber you will find one of the asteroids. You can change it with a full tank while keeping it upright. You just need a slender object, insert it a little sideways and push the asteroid out. This is the standard one. You will find 2 more included in the box. A slanted one and a stepped one. To mount it again, just insert it in the chamber. Every asteroid will change the volume of the chamber in a different manner, as well as the airflow inside it, so you will perceive a different taste with each one. You can also use the atomizer without any asteroid inside if you wish. Disassembling the top portion is very easy. There is only one thread. The standard tank finish is frosted. And here you can see the tank O-rings. The top assembly just slides out, and this is the refill valve. You can see that the refill hole is smaller than the O-ring footprint, so if there is a bit of misalignment, it will work as well. The bore size on the chimney and the drip tip is the same to avoid condensation inside. And the drip tip is a standard 510 size. To reassemble it, pay attention to these little notches in the chimney, here. They need to be positioned properly during reassembly, otherwise the valve will be loose, like this. Reassembly is very easy as well. You just need to make sure you tighten the thread until it bottoms out. This will give the correct tightness to the valve. When you close the tank after refill, make sure these three lines are aligned so the tank will be closed properly. When you refill as well, rotate the valve anti-clockwise to avoid opening the bayonet by accident. With a valve system like this, liquid won't compress when you close it, so you don't need to close the liquid control before refilling. However, having the valve not correctly positioned will result in leakage inside the chamber. Now let's build the ATTI. When you screw it on your mod, pay attention to not open it by mistake. Like this. Tighten it properly and go back until your liquid control is fully open. You can see it here. Just a quick advice, make your coil like this, with lowered legs. This way it will be easier to mount on the deck. Just put your jig on the support and tighten the screws on the coil legs. Having the coil like this will give you a strong hit. If you would like less, just lower it a bit. To cut the excess wire, just bend the legs up. And cut them like this. I'm sorry, my wire cutter is dull and it has a broken point, so that's why I'm struggling. Pay attention to the leg connected to the positive post. It must not touch the external part of the deck or the chamber when closed. Now let's insert the cotton in the coil. Cut it in line with the outside of the A-ring, so you will have 22 mm of total cotton length, from side to side. Then just grab it and push it in the wells. Push it to the bottom. And make sure no cotton sticks out from the juice holes. The cotton must cover the hole completely, on both sides. Now it's time to add some tasty juice. And close the tank. Now, for the refill, don't turn it clockwise. Always turn it counterclockwise. And let's fill the tank. By the way, you need to turn it counterclockwise because the resistance of the thread inside is greater than the one of the bayonet system. So, if you tighten it properly, it will not unscrew, and turning the valve this way will ensure the tank will not separate from the deck by accident. Very important, align the 3 lines properly when you close the valve. Not like this. Like this. If you close it, you can even open the tank and it will not leak, as you can see here. So this is it. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. You can join the Nibiru community and you'll find the link for the Facebook group in the description. Thanks for watching, we hope you liked it.